gonna be under the seat,
I tell you, I cook.
Help! Do you want to just take the Yaris then?
Just take both.
Take both. Only 2 people here can drive.
No. Only one person here can drive. You've just been given permission by the government.
Stop.
Unhung it.
Park over there. And then once I pass by, chase up. You mind? Park over there. Once I pass by, chase up me.
Handbrake was up.
Bro, I get you're fat. You're not that fat. Dramatic ass motherfucker. All of that just to park in the fucking. You ready, pussy? Oh my God. Yeah.
I got it! I knew!
Can't hear me.
Come back!
Hey! Just tiny bit. Yeah. Alright, now put the handbrake up. Why am I doing this? Oh shit! Okay, try drift when you turn off the traction control. Go for it. Go for it.
What was the finish?
Hard. What's happening? Yeah, we're going? Alright. Don't do this. No! Chill.
Yo, what the f are you doing, bro? You almost hit me. Nah, this guy's such a driver, bro. Race me here.
Are you trying to do a pull?
Hey! Hey, go on the bend, you twit! You're gonna crash.
Standing in the ocean. Music. Stop. Standing in the ocean.
Bro, shut up, man. Full throttle.